This is XFly.
It's an ornithopter. That means it has flapping wings so it can maneuver just like winged creatures. Yep, even indoors. XFly flies using biomimetics, denoting synthetic methods that mimic natural processes. Know how a bird flies into your house and never hits anything? Like that. But XFly is not just an ornithopter. It's the most incredible ornithopter ever created. XFly has military-grade sensors on its body. Yes, that constantly shaken body. Up until XFly, it was considered impossible. 4 years of research and voila! With the sensors, XFly can fly long straight lines. Want to go through a corridor or just fly right to the horizon with no deviations? Now you can. And maneuvering is tight. Like turn left and right without losing altitude tight. Like fly through windy conditions and crazy obstacles without dropping a beat tight. XFly is controlled through a dedicated app on your phone. It has 3 different ways to be controlled, or you can add our innovative joystick for unparalleled control. The app also gives you flight data and controls everything connected to the external connector on XFly. Right now, there are cool LED lights for a so cool night flight. XFly's flight time is 12 minutes and charge time is 12 minutes. That means that with the replaceable battery, you can fly forever. When XFly's tail is down, it flies faster, and when the tail is up, it's more controllable. And don't worry about crashing. XFly's elasticity and reinforced carbon fiber body keeps this little flyer safe no matter how hard the crash. XFly is a result of over 40 years of research and development. Edwin, an aeronautical engineer and the creator of XFly, got into the field after his grandfather, this cool guy, created the first successful mechanical bird together with Edwin's father. Fast forward to Edwin making bionic flying creatures on a whole new level. So if you want to fly like winged animals in nature, and dare we say, even better than them, get XFly and get ready for an extraordinary flight experience.